And one of the examples that really got my attention was there was a client of ours looking for 500 hospital beds a couple of weeks ago, and they couldn't find them. They couldn't find a source for them. And within 30 minutes, we used our Ariba network to source those 500 beds and get them where they needed to be. So those are the things that SAP is doing that I think is effective and I'm proud of.
We wanted to support the community, so after offering our health authorities support, just 36 hours after that, we managed to do the first prototype through additive manufacturing of providing shields for our healthcare workers. And just a month after now, we have delivered 100,000 of these protective shields to healthcare workers in Denmark, France, UK.
One example, we got a call on a Sunday a few weeks ago from a state agency here in the United States that was struggling to try and put in place a system they could use to communicate with a bunch of folks. And we built a power app called the Crisis Communication app. We did it in 36 hours, start to finish. They were able to roll it out that next day. But we also made that Crisis Communication app publicly available. We built a website to allow people to come get it. And in just 2 weeks, literally 2 weeks, across 60 countries and 3,000 different organizations, that app was rolled out to facilitate crisis communications, to keep people posted through this. It's just incredible to see both the agility that these services have provided, but also just the the community spirit to leverage these assets to go do good work.
Our team did an awesome job with the medical community. We provided our engineers very quickly developed a clip that prevents chafing behind the ears for the medical workers that have to wear the masks all the time. And our 3D printer's been running, 24/7, turning out clips, and we've been getting those over to the medical community. So that was great to see people, jump in and think not just of themselves, but of other people that are on the front line of this thing.
We had one example that was great in our Braun and Lube line where a customer was switching over to do hand sanitizer. We were able to quickly get them an answer and within a week, get them a solution that enabled them to kind of fulfill the sanitizer more quickly.